Wondering if it's time to upgrade from a 100 amp to a 200 amp electrical panel? If your circuit breakers are tripping often, or you're adding high-demand appliances like an electric vehicle charger or air conditioner, a 200 amp panel can provide the extra capacity your home needs. This upgrade not only supports more devices but also helps reduce the risk of electrical fires and overloaded circuits. The process involves assessing your electrical needs, replacing the panel, and possibly upgrading service cables, especially in older homes. Expect costs between $1,500 and $3,000. Always consult a licensed electrician for a thorough estimate and safe installation.